Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for January 21st. I'm going to start off with the S&P. Okay, we continue to rally today. We've been bullish overall from 3502. We rallied 2,676.75 points. A lot of other bullish calls in here. One that we've been updating right in here was the break above 5678.50. I said projected this upward 240 minimum, 570 plus maximum. We've attained 500.25 of that, and a number of other bullish calls. Those are all off hold. Then we held. Then we broke below 61.16 and a quarter, and that brought in 307.25 of pressure, and that is now on hold. And then the trade back above 59.0250. I brought in 175.75 of strength coming into today, and then some more on top of that. And then the trade above 59.8150. I said projects this upward 150 handles. We had attained 96.75 of that so far. Now we've traded from 59.8150 up to 60.9325. I would also note that we are just breaking above this formation right here. Now, I did not make a suggestion to get long above this, even though this will project this higher, because we may be in the last stretch of this move up from here with exhaustion levels right above here, possibly here and here. So if we do break above this line decently, though, it will warrant a higher trade. But I do have a suggestion: if we break above it decently and then fail back down through it decently, I think that would be a good short, because then that would also confirm we're going to be in a bearish correction against this move upward. So just another thing to keep in mind. This is another formation above that comes in at 61.49.91 plus 6 per hour. Starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a decent break above there will also project this higher. And we're starting to see the projections from the break above here to pull back play out here. Okay. The metals, or gold, I should say, kind of a choppy sideways day, but we did settle higher. We have a lot of major bull calls in here. I won't go over all of those. One of them, though, I said that the solid trade above 2148.40 projects us upward 151 minimum, 954 plus maximum. We attained 653.4 of that. And then more recently, the trade above 2704.10, it brought in 55.1 of strength, a little bit more than that today. And then we were also bullish above 2724.70. Now, I said, however, we're likely in the last stretch of the move up from 2596.70, but there is at 2757.30, which we've held here, and we're still basically holding here with this high, and then other areas at 2773.90 to 2810.30 and higher. If we take out this formation above here, which is going to come in at 2762.10 plus 0.1 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If we break above there decently and back down through it decently, we should see decent pressure come in. Also, if we fail below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 2735.60 plus 5 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m., that will also warrant decent pressure. Maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. And in the Bitcoin, overall, we've been bullish since 16,275. We'd seen 92,685 per coin of strength. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Those are all off hold. when we held exhaustion above with a 108,960 high and rolled over 19,435. Had another bearish formation in here. I got to take this out of here actually because we've already traded above that. That's on hold, and then the trade above 96,375 to 420. I said projected this upward 6,800 plus. We've attained 13,730 of that so far, and then the trade above 99,755 projects this upward 10,000 plus. We've seen 10,395 of that so far before rolling over. The failure back below here was back below the last major high, so that's why we saw some of this heavier pressure in here. Now, if we are to take out this formation above decently right here, that should open up the upside to even higher trade. That's going to come in at 109,531 plus 22 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If we were to roll over and fail back down through this formation below here, which is going to come in at 98,435 minus 20 per hour, that will warrant a decent pressure. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.